In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add apps as a view in Monday.com. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can follow along on your own board and start taking advantage of powerful apps right inside your workflow. First, make sure you're on the board where you want to add the app view. At the top of your board, you'll see the row of existing views such as main table or any dashboards you already have. Look for the small plus icon next to these views. This plus sign is how you add new views to your board. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. Once you click the plus sign, Monday.com will open a menu that shows different types of views you can add. Here you'll see options like charts, dashboards, and more and more. What we're interested in is the option for apps. In that menu, find and click on the option labeled apps. This tells Monday.com that you want to add a view that's powered by an app, rather than a standard built-in view. After you click on apps, a new window or panel will open up. This is where you can discover and manage all the apps available to you. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, don't worry. Look for the button that says Explore More Apps. Click on Explore More Apps to open the full Apps Marketplace. The Apps Marketplace is where you can browse all the different tools that can be added as views inside your board. You'll usually see categories, search options, and featured apps. Take a moment to scroll through or use the search bar if you already know the name of the app you want to use. When you find an app that fits your needs, click on it to open its details page. Here, you can read a short description of what the app does, check screenshots, and see how it integrates into your board as a view. This is a good time to make sure the app supports being used as a board view, not just as an integration or automation. If it looks good, go ahead and select the app. Monday.com will guide you through adding it as a